Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are going at Bok Tower. We're just right behind the guard shack a little bit. And if you check back in with us, we'll be at different spots at Bok Tower. All right, so let's get into our yoga practice and roll out our mat and let's get started. All right, so today we are going to be doing a little bit of morning poses and opening up our heart and giving us some self-care today. All right, so we're gonna start out in mountain pose. In mountain pose, it's very simple. You just stand there, have your hands like this, and close your eyes. And then you're gonna breathe in, and you're gonna breathe out. You're gonna breathe in, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, next we are going to get into Warrior 2. So what you're gonna do is get at the end of the mat here, stand here. You're gonna pick which leg you're gonna do. So for me, I'm gonna have my right leg in the back and bend. You're gonna bend. Now, you can have your arms like this, or if you wanna have some fun with it, you can go like this, all right? Or if you just wanna be peaceful, warrior. You're fighting for your love. You're just gonna bend. And you're gonna breathe in. You're gonna breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Now we're going to move this leg back and we're gonna switch up to the other side. Okay. So you go like this. You're gonna breathe in and out. You wanna have some fun. Do that. Make a good fist. You're gonna breathe in. Breathe out. Next, before we get into forward fold, we're gonna give ourselves a bear hug. And that is simply like this. You're gonna have your arms out, Texas T, and you're gonna hug yourself. And shake. And getting a hug every day can relieve some stress. I think it's 2 or 3% I remember reading. All right. Now we're gonna go back into forward. We're gonna get into forward fold. And so you're gonna stand, hips width apart, and you're just gonna slowly reach down. You're gonna start out with halfway lift, and that's basically to the knees, and then we're gonna try to reach our toes, okay? So halfway lift, and then you can bend the knees to modify it if you need to touch your toes, touching your toes. You're gonna breathe in and out, in and out, in and out. Now we're gonna get into a low lunge. So you can have your right leg out and your left leg back. Go like, put your hands, and you can have your right hand on the right side. Breathe in and out. Now we're gonna get into plank, so you're gonna move your right leg back. And breathe in and out. Now you're gonna move back a little bit and get into downward dog. You're gonna pedal it out. Pedal it out. Put your knees down, and we're gonna do child's pose. So you're gonna put your back, sit on your bottoms of your feet. You're gonna breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. In and out. Now we're going to slowly come up. And then we're going to get into seated folded fold. And that. So you're going to have your legs out. You bend them if you need to. And you're going to reach. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right. Now we're good. All right. That is going to be it for today. Thank you for watching. And we will see you next week. And remember to like, share, and subscribe today. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Bye for now.